Hi, I'm Annabelle from Arabian Travel Market, which I'm excited to say is celebrating its 25th edition this year. So ATM exhibitors have already taken their first step in showcasing their company to the world by choosing to exhibit at ATM in April. But their marketing and PR opportunities are not limited to just those 4 days. I'm here to give you an overview of all the opportunities available before, during and after ATM. The first step in ensuring you make the most out of ATM is badges. You need to ensure your whole team is registered before attending the event in April. Don't forget to register badges for all your team as soon as possible. If you would like more badges than your allocation, there is a charge of 150 AED or $40 before the event. If you register those badges on site, there's a charge of 165 AED or $45. Don't forget to download and print your badge from the Exhibitor portal or the Download Your Badge email before arriving on site in April. This will ensure your entrance to ATM is as smooth as possible. New for 2018, our International Media Centre will be located on the exhibition floor in Hall 5 for the first time. From Saturday the 21st of April, you can drop off your media packs, which the media will then use to write their stories over the following 4 days. We recommend that all exhibitors leave at least 25 media packs in English and Arabic to maximise your chance of securing some media coverage. As some of you may know, our appointed PR agency is Shamel Marketing Communications. Please contact them for any media or PR inquiries, and their contact details can be found on the media section of the ATM website. Finally, don't forget to connect with us on social media using our hashtag #ATMDubai so we can help share your latest news, competitions or stand activities. If you have a major announcement or launch during the event, a press conference is the ideal platform for you. We can provide you the room with AV setup, furniture, catering for up to 130 media. This year, there are 2 press conference rooms next to the media centre. The press conference rooms will be available for 1 hour, including brand setup and dismantling, and there will be an early bird price of $1,700 before the 28th of February. After the 28th of February, the price will go up to $1,850. For more information about press conferences, please contact our PR agency, Shamel Marketing Communications. We have 4 official publications at ATM. The first is our show preview. This is our digital publication, which is distributed online to 130,000 travel trade professionals, as well as being uploaded to our website. Secondly, there is the show daily. This is distributed in print to all attendees every morning, featuring news and reports live from the event. Third is the official catalogue, which is a publication including a full exhibitor listing and key event information, which can be purchased on site by all attendees. Finally, there is the ATM Yearbook. This is a review of the Middle East tourism industry over the last year. It's a printed publication and can be found on site and is targeted at highly influential people and senior travel professionals. If you would like to find out more about any of these official publications or the advertising opportunities within them, visit the official publications page on the ATM website. Last but certainly not least, ATM offer a range of sponsorship opportunities to increase your brand exposure before, during or after the event. Sponsorship opportunities include everything from digital sponsorship packages, website banners, emails, signage, conferences, highlighted exhibitor listings and more. To find out more about all the sponsorship opportunities available to you, please contact your account manager. So that's a quick overview of some of the fantastic opportunities available to you to maximise your PR and marketing success at ATM 2018.